you can see the hairline. You can see how natural it looks. Guys, these are 3 different lace. This one is transparent lace, the HD lace, and the crystal lace. What we are focusing on today is the crystal lace. The difference between the crystal lace and the HD lace is easy to tear. The lace can tear easily. While the crystal lace, even if it has any hole, it can never be destroyed. You can just repair that with hand. But the HD lace or the transparent lace, once they has any hole on them, you see them destroy. So that is why this crystal lace is very, very important and is more durable. That is the advantage of this crystal lace, and it looks natural on your hairline. If you see it, you think that is your natural hair. The wig I'll be installing today is from Geniuswigs. It came with elastic band, hair clip, edge brush, a wig cap, and a scarf. So I want to carry out a test on my hand to show you guys the 3 laces. I'm going to put glue to see them on my skin. Okay, this is the crystal lace. So I'm just going to apply glue on it. Okay, I'm going to dry it. Let's see. Blow it to dry. So I'm going to do the same thing to this one, which is the HD lace. Let's put it here. And I will spray my glue on it as well. Okay. All right. This one is the transparent lace. So we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to glue it here. So we'll compare the 3. You can see the crystal lace. You no longer see the lace on my hand. Blend inside my skin. The lace has disappeared. Look at it. Then this one is the HD lace. It melts also, but you can see some trace of the lace. Then this is the transparent lace. You see the transparent lace is showing and the color is kind of white. You can see it. So see the difference. Can you guys see the difference? You can tell the difference between the 3. The crystal lace, HD lace, and the transparent lace. The crystal lace melts inside my skin. The HD lace, it melts also, but you can still see the trace of the lace on my skin. While the transparent lace, you can see it's obvious. So you see the difference between the 3 lace. Guys, now that I have explained the difference between the 3 lace, the crystal lace, the HD lace, and the transparent lace, now I want to go into the installation of this wig. So the wig is 13 by 6 lace wig. It's straight and the length is 20 inches. The density of this hair is 180 density. You can see the hairline of this wig. It came pre-plucked. Look very, very natural. It came with inbuilt adjustable strap, detachable strap, and some combs. So we're going to install this wig, and to install this wig, it's preferable you use the ball cap method to install these crystal lace. Okay, but to me, I believe it all depends on how you install your wig. It's not a must for you to use a ball cap method because it's not everybody that knows how to install their wigs on a ball cap method. So I'm going to install this wig in a simple way, and you will still have the same results as if you use the ball cap method, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm wearing a brownish wig cap. Okay, I'm just going to push it backward little this way. Then I'm going to wear my wig. If you want to do the ball cap method, you're free to do that. I'm not against it. So guys, this is it on. You can see the hairline. You can see how natural it looks. You see, it's so natural. You see the hairline? It looks so natural. You see how natural it is? See this? So I'm going to cut out the excess lace from it. Like I said, I don't want to do much. I just want to show you how you can install this very easy. You don't need that ball cap method, and everything will still be perfect.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Vicious presenting. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah.
So I want to do session by session, then glue it down.
Let's go. Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head.
I'm just following the hairline.
No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People gonna say when you walk by, girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Lose control of myself, can find you anywhere.
So I'm just going to drop this down.
I give up, I'm out of luck. Been looking everywhere, it doesn't make sense, no. So bring it back, cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 AM and we go home. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
You can see this. So let's trim this one. Following the hairline as usual.
You should wear a name tag, cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 AM and we go home. I guess it's history now, and girl, you should wear a name tag. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. you feel it or you don't, might give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know.
Wow. Wow, guys. Wow.
I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll.
You see this, guys? So I just glue it down. I still need to tie it first, but you can see I don't need baby hair, so it's remaining this way. I'm going to cut the lace from this other side.
They don't, no, they don't, no, they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no, they don't, no, they don't. They don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. They don't, they don't, how we roll. Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Yeah, we
I'm going to tie it down. So I'm just going to do this, and tie it perfectly, so tight.
Knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach.
this, use the scarf from it, and see the result.
Maybe I need some space.
Oof. This was so tight. It was so tight. Wow. Just look at this. Look at this before I clean the glue from it. See this? This is fabulous. Fabulous. So I'm going to clean the glue.
Remember you want me. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's no word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heart beat raising. Oh, it doesn't work.
Then I'll take this and dab it here. That is just to blend every other lace that we show, but it's not necessary. You can just skip this. So I just want it to blend on my skin. Touch this and I'll open my party. You can skip this part if you want, but I like doing it like this. So guys, I'll take little gel, then prick out little baby hair by the side like this. This is not really necessary.
Say something, but there's no word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions.
The crystal lace is the best. It looks like your natural hair. Is more durable, the quality is higher, and it melts on your skin. That is the advantage of this crystal lace, and it looks natural on your hairline. If you see it, you think that is your real natural hair. So that's one advantage of this crystal lace. I hope you'll be able to understand the difference between the HD lace, the transparent lace, and the crystal lace. So I'm going to leave the link on the description box. If you're interested, check that out. But just before you go, subscribe if you haven't and hit on that bell icon. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
Shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you.